What is new? What's new? What's new at USCAP 2025? Right now, I'm at the virtual booth of Grundium, and the question still is, what's new at USCAP 2025?
Hi, Alex. Thanks. My name's Todd Vanden Branden, Senior Director of Marketing and Applications for Grundium. Grundium is a scanner company and really focused on sort of the smaller use cases and different workflows. We're really focused on redefining excellence in digital microscopy with our Ocus portfolio of whole slide scanners. The newest thing that we have going is the Ocus E-M. It is the multi-slide version of our core Ocus technology. Original Ocus was a single slide scanner. This one has all the same benefits of the original, but it includes the access to 4 slides at a time. Still has the great image quality, great resolution, but does improve workflows in totally new ways.
Thank you so much. I'm a friend of the Ocuses, and there is a video about the small one, and now I'm super excited that the big brother is coming out officially. I've been waiting for this for a year because I saw
we have too.
Yes, I saw the prototype at last USCAP in Baltimore, and I was like anticipating, when can I get my hands on it? And guys, soon. So thank you so much, Todd, for the update.
Thank you, Alex. All right, appreciate it.